So I'm in the process of installing this free tress boho hippie lock in the length 20 inches, and this is the braid pattern that was used. It's individuals in the front for a more natural look, and it's a regular braid in the middle, but the sides and the back was braid in an upward direction so as to give it the illusion of having individual braids all around the head. So stay tuned. And this is what the hair looks like directly out of the pack, somewhat similar to your traditional goddess locks, but it has a little bit more curls. Yeah, and I'm in the process of doing the installation in the middle using the regular crochet technique, and you can see, detailed videos as to how to manipulate your crochet tool to accomplish that. Yeah, and now I'm about to show you guys how I do the individual portion. Each braid is attached to the lock, and I'm just using the crochet tool to pull the faux lock through the base of the plait. Then I'm attaching it, pulling it through and tightening it. And the trick now is to ensure that your hair is concealed in the hollow of the lock. So you just insert the crochet tool at some point along the crochet here, pushing it all the way to the very top. And once the tool emerges, then you attach your plait or your braid. Close the latch hook